पढ़ने के बाद इम्प्लीमेंट कहाँ करेंगे? So BNI is the best platform to implement all these skills and improve your skills.
One financial advice that you would want to give the entrepreneurs watching this. The 4 C's to remember. Your mission is to help people make their lives better with purpose, patience and generosity.
Everything is driven by purpose. 4 skills that everyone has to need. One is critical thinking, the other one is creativity, third one is communication skill, and the fourth one is collaborative skill. Help yourself to develop your leadership skills. One thing as a entrepreneur, पहला है ना कि जो सीखा है मैंने, पे योरसेल्फ. बहुत entrepreneurs they don't pay themselves. पहले सबका पे करेंगे, creditors, debtors, स्टाफ, खुद के लिए कभी पेमेंट किसी ने भी नहीं निकाला. पहले भी मैं निकालता नहीं था, लेकिन आज उनके साथ मेरा भी चेक निकलता है.
Let's do a quick rapid fire. Founder of Synergy Schools or founder of SNS? Of this podcast, because Navigate with Ketki Sane is all about conversation that rethink leadership. Good morning and welcome to yet another session of Impeccable Talks. Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of Amazon, he happens to say something about what a brand truly is. A brand is defined by not what the brand speaks, but what people speak about the brand when you are in the room. And believe me or not, in my 5-6 journey at BNI, if there's one person who truly justifies this, stands by this, is none other than Mr. Sandeepan Reddy here. And I can vouch by this and say this because in whatever one-to-ones that I've conducted so far, almost everybody sir का जिक्र किया है, and they've always spoken about his humanity, his work ethics and so on. So it's really a pleasure to have you here on the mini podcast series hosted by me, Ketki Sane, your podcast partner. Let's begin with a brief round of introduction by Sandeepan sir.
So thank you Ketki, and thank you Impeccable for this wonderful opportunity. So my name is Sandeepan Reddy, and being a technocrat, did my engineering from Aurangabad, that's now Sambhajinagar, did my MBA from Symbiosis, worked with government of Maharashtra for 7 years as a class 1 officer, left that and started my journey in finance. And over the 21 years, we are associated with Sher Khan, helping 3,000 families and managing a portfolio of around 300 advisory, not a management, because we are not management advisor. We are advisory to 300 crores. And in the hindsight, just thought of doing something. So at my hometown, I come from a hometown, Ambejogai. It's a small place in Beed district, where we have 2 CBSE and 21 preschools. And the preschools are only for village students, which are no profit, no loss. It has to be done from that. So a journey of around 25 years in this industry is helping me to grow. So that's
Amazing, amazing. Sir, in our interactions earlier, you told me that your mission is to help people make their lives better with purpose, patience and generosity. So can you please elaborate on that?
See, this the purpose was defined when I attended Tony Robbins in Singapore, and I attended T. Harvekar also, Robert Kiyosaki, and from there I understood that everything is driven by purpose. So we set, and this was because of BNI, because a lot of people, the one core value is lifelong learning. So that understood ki what is my purpose. When I identified, then it said कि यार मैं छोटे गांव से आया हूँ, तो what is that? So platform कैसा होता? So then I thought कि education is the best platform. So educate, empower and excel. That's what the 3 lines that we tell. First educate, then empower, and then people will expire. And then we said, and the same thing happened with both my professions. In the financial sector also, it's all about education. We don't want to sell any products into this. It's all about education. If you educate them, then the decision is theirs. In the same with education also. When you educate them, they have, and empower them with that. The purpose identified me, ki what is there for me, and for the last, after 2014, that was when I decided ki yes, the purpose is, so I am starting one step at a time. So both the professions are going into educating, empowering and helping people to excel in their own life.
Beautiful. So there has been this wave of finding your purpose in the last decade, I would say, and I can understand where you're coming from because once you have that in place, it is the anchor that gives you direction. So those of you who are kind of struggling to find their purpose in life, please, he's the person to reach out. So what are those three reasons that makes BNI a one of a kind organization, networking place?
See, this is my 16th year in BNI. So 2011, we joined me, Kiran, and this is my the three things what I said. These are core values. So जैसा हम लोगों ने बचपन में बहुत सारा रट्टा मारा है. Like if I talk about simple interest, what comes to your mind? Compound interest. यानी रट्टा मारा है. So application was not there, but रट्टा बहुत मारा है. So then I realized कि यार ये core values ही drives everything. और उसमें से when I found that there 4-5 core values were hitting me, and that's why my stay in BNI becomes a longer stay. The second thing is participation. So whatever role we take in whatever it is VHT, anything role, that helps you to build your leadership. That's my takeaway. Any role in this, because this is a platform, being from both the side, there are four skills that everyone has to need. One is critical thinking, the other one is creativity, the third one is communication skill, and the fourth one is collaborative skills. और ये चारों स्किल पढ़ के तो कर सकते, some are inborn and these are all learnable skills. और लेकिन पढ़ने के बाद implement कहाँ करेंगे? So BNI is the best platform to implement all these skills and improve your skills. That made me stick to this organization for the last, and I would suggest everyone to see what is the purpose that BNI platform is solving, and that is why Tony Robbins का एक podcast, why do people do what they do? That's the and that's where in Care and Connect also हम लोग बात करते हैं, why do people do what they do in BNI?
Okay.
So if your needs are fulfilled in BNI, you'll stay for a long. So that's what the three things is. Help yourself to develop your leadership skills, and lifelong learning would be all core values.
Amazing. Beautiful takeaway here. The 4 C's to remember: critical thinking, creativity, communication and collaboration. And what you mentioned about leadership kind of validates the whole purpose of this podcast, because Navigate with Ketki Sane is all about conversation that rethink leadership, and I don't think there's a better fit than this person sitting here. So what is that one financial advice that you would want to give the entrepreneurs watching this?
So this is my personal experiences which I will be sharing, and this is my learnings from all the mentors over the period of, so being in government organization, if you say now I have 21, my friends, there are 21 joint secretaries in government of Maharashtra, which another 2 years they'll retire. जब मैंने 2005 में जब when I left, everyone said क्यों छोड़ रहा है, इतना अच्छा है, ये होगा. There are deputy commissioners. Then the same thing, I was not feeling कि यार अम्बेजोगाई से हम लोग यहाँ तक आ गए, मुंबई तक आ गए, तो यहाँ पे do we have to stick here? So you cannot fight the system, leave the system. क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट में आप फाइट करते बैठोगे तो लाइफ निकल जाएगा. So that's one thing. So one thing as a entrepreneur is पहला है ना कि जो सीखा है मैंने, पे योरसेल्फ. बहुत entrepreneurs they don't pay themselves, पहले सबका पे करेंगे, क्रेडिटर्स, डेटर्स, स्टाफ, खुद के लिए कभी पेमेंट किसी ने भी नहीं निकाला. पहले भी मैं निकालता नहीं था, लेकिन आज उनके साथ मेरा भी चेक निकलता है. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, देन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड टेल यू कि यार ये मेरा बिजनेस है, नहीं तो फिर क्या होता है ये दूसरों का बिजनेस है. सो माई फर्स्ट learning from all my mentors always, wherever I say they pay yourself and then everything falls in line.
That's one great practical takeaway for me personally. Let's do a quick rapid fire.
Yes.
You have to pick one of these options that I'm about to ask. What shaped you better as a person? Was it IIM Ahmedabad or Government Engineering College?
I would say Government Engineering College. सब मिले थे उधर. आज भी एकदम ये.
Okay. As an entrepreneur, what's your mantra? Is it grow fast or build steady?
Build steady. Because any organization takes, if गुड टू ग्रेट अगर किसी ने पढ़ा होगा, सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट 100 years 200 years लीगेसीज, एंड इट हेल्प्स स्टेडीली ग्रोथ करके एवरी ईयर इम्प्रोवाइज. आई वुड गो फॉर नॉट बिल्ड फॉर बट ग्रोथ. ये
Sure. And this one's a little tough. If you had to pick one, founder of Synergy Schools or founder of SNS?
founder of any time synergy national schools. Two things what
Sure.
I would suggest कि ना finance में बहुत काम किया, लेकिन it is all about handling money, ups and downs हो जाते हैं because expectations high होते हैं कि when returns are subpar, alpha generate कर, so रिस्पेक्ट कभी मिलता नहीं है फाइनेंस में, आप कभी भी देखो. बट स्कूल में कुछ भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन रिस्पेक्ट टॉप प्रायोरिटी पे. आज भी वेन एवर आई गो टू अंबेजोगाई, अरे सर आले. सो दैट बिकम्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. सो आई विल ऑलवेज हैव माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी टू स्कूल्स, एंड बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर वी वांट टू गिव इट टू द सोसायटी, टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन.
सर तुम्ही वारंवार अंबेजोगाईचा उल्लेख करताय म्हणून सांगते. सो अंबेजोगाई हॅपन्स टू बी माय कुलदैवतची प्लेस ऑल्सो.
30% ऑफ ईयर सब कुलदैवत वाले.
ओके, ऑसम.
सो बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ BNI वाले फोन ही करते, अरे मी जाणार अंबेजोगाई, एंड आई
अच्छा.
कॉल समबडी की अरे ये अपना है.
नाइस.
30 years there.
Sure. So, can we have one question from the audience? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Anybody wants to ask anything?
What keeps you going on?
The purpose of life.
Sure.
रिग्रेट ये कर रहा हूँ ना, जो मैंने बायोशीट में लेके कॉलेज में बहुत कर सकता था, लेकिन कर नहीं पाया बिकॉज ऑफ अभी जाता ही हूँ. अभी गवर्नमेंट लॉ कॉलेज मुंबई से मेरा अभी फेब में ये भी हुआ. अभी आई डिड माय कोर्स ऑल्सो, गवर्नमेंट लॉ कॉलेज मुंबई, सिक्योरिटी एक्ट. अभी लास्ट एग्जाम वॉज इन फेब.
एक क्वेश्चन था, चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन में माइंड को स्टेबल रखने के लिए क्या थेरेपीज अपनाते?
कुछ थेरेपीज नहीं है, यू हैव टू जस्ट गेट योर सेल्फ ट्रेंड, क्योंकि नथिंग बिकॉज अपना कंट्रोल ही नहीं होता है. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डाउनफॉल्स इन माई लाइफ इन 2020-21 when we had advised a few people and it went. So that was one of the biggest learning, how to come out of that, and one of them was you helped me a lot in that also to. So you have to have good friends around. So कभी भी downfall हो जाता है ना, so दोस्ती है जो बोलते हैं यार चल हो सकता है. तो मैं तो that's why I have a lot of ये.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are always on move, always on wonder. How you manage that?
सो वो मैं बोलता हूँ कि यार 365 डेज से ना 105 दिन मेरे, 105 दिन. सो मैं 105 दिन में घूमते रहता हूँ. सो आई प्लान दैट वे. सी ओपन ऑनेस्ट कम्युनिकेशन. सो एक बार घर पे बता दिया कि 105 दिन दैट इज माई, आई वुड लव टू. सो दैट कीप्स मी ट्रैवलिंग.
Sure. I mean, I wish we could continue for a longer time, and I hope we can do that over my podcast
Yes,
in
yes,
reality.
sure.
So,
Yes.
if anybody wants to reach out to sir for any financial advice, or I would say even life advice, I'll be putting the details in the caption. So, see you in the next one.